Welcome to the math review. So this question says, what is the value of the expression below if a equals 1 and b equals 3? And here we have this expression a to the third, also called a cubed, plus b to the second power, also called b squared. So since we have more than one operation, we're definitely going to have to use the order of operations here. So let's write that on the side. Now it's important to note that even though the order of operations has 6 letters in it, it's only 4 steps. Let's start with step 1. P stands for parentheses. Since there are no parentheses here, we can just check that off. Step 2 is to use exponents. Well, we have 2 exponents here. We've got a to the third and we've got b to the second power. But before we can use these exponents, what we have to do is take the values we were given and plug them into the expression. So here we have a equals 1. So I'll rewrite this as 1 to the third power plus b to the second power. And since b equals 3, I'll just write that as 3 to the second power. So now that we have values in the expression, now we can do our work on the side and figure out exactly what each of these will evaluate into. So let's start with 1 to the third. So 1 to the third power means that we're going to take this exponent, and this exponent is going to tell us how many times we multiply the base by itself. So I'm going to take 1 and multiply it 3 times. So since I'm multiplying it 3 times, I could put 3 little blanks here. And in each of those blanks, I'm putting the base, which is 1. So that's 1 times 1 times 1. And that just equals 1. So 1 to the third power evaluates to 1. We'll bring down our plus sign. And now we'll evaluate 3 to the second power. So 3 to the second power, also called 3 squared, means I'm going to take this base 3 and multiply it by itself 2 times. So I could write it like this. I'll put 2 blanks here, and in each of those blanks, I'll put a 3. So we've got 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 equals 9. So 3 to the second power, or 3 squared, evaluates to 9. So we'll write that here. So now in our new expression, 1 plus 9, do you see any other exponents that we have to evaluate? No. So we're done with this. Then we'll go to step 3, which is multiplication or division. In our new expression at the bottom here, do you see any multiplication or division? Well, no, so we can just check that off as well. And that brings us to step 4, which is using addition or subtraction from left to right, whichever comes first. And this isn't too bad because we just have one operation to do here, 1 plus 9. And 1 plus 9 equals 10. Therefore, we can say that the value of this expression, a cubed plus b squared, when a equals 1 and b equals 3, is 10.
Thanks for watching our video on the math review. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. We might use your question in our next video. And if you found this lesson helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And it would really help if you share this and our other videos to any of your social media platforms. See you next time on the Math Review.